We're about a month out from SubiFest, and there are a ton of things that we need to get done on the car. There's a lot of things that I don't want to get done that I'm dreading, but today's install I'm actually really excited about. We're finally going to be installing the engine bay kit from Dressupbolts, and I want to give a huge thank you to them because they sponsored me when I didn't even have an engine in the car, and they've been so patient. I know they've been waiting a really long time to see this, and I've been waiting a really long time to install this kit. Like I said, I'm really excited to install these today, and if you guys don't know, for whatever reason, who Dressupbolts is, I'm going to leave their Instagram up on the screen here. Go check them out. They make super sick titanium hardware for your engine bay. They also do the valve stem caps, which I'm running in the polished finish. And I'm also running their titanium bolts in the blue finish for my steering wheel. Not only that, you can also buy their individual hardware to replace on literally any part of your car, which I will be doing a video on, so I'll get more into that later on. You can remove a bolt from anywhere on the car, and if they have that size, you can buy it individually. So let's go ahead and get into this install. If you guys don't remember, a really long time ago when I unboxed this, we went with the True Burn finish for the engine bay. So we have a bunch of bolts in this one, a bunch of washers in this one, and some more bolts and washers in this one. So everything is labeled by number, as you can see on here, size 6, size 4, size 3, etc. And it comes with very easy instructions that tell you exactly where every single bolt and washer goes. Before we install the Dressupbolts, let's take one last look at the engine bay with the ugly OEM bolts. So we're pretty much replacing everything on the outer portion of the engine bay. So any bolt that you can see, we're replacing. So these two on the hood, the ones on the strut, the one on the reservoir, on the fuse box right there. I don't have tie downs, so we won't be putting those on today. And the reason why I went with the True Burn finish is because I feel like this color is gonna pop the most in the engine bay. If I went with blue or something like that, I feel like that would blend in too much with the car. So that's the reason why I went with this finish right here. I think I'm gonna start with the driver's side first, get this side done, and then show you guys what they look like on the car versus the OEM one. Here is the first side all done. Check it out. What do you guys think? They look so much better, and they actually match with the blue much more than I had thought they would. So there's a couple that we didn't replace. So obviously this one where the strut goes wasn't replaced, and then the one on the hood, this top one is a lot longer because of the hood strut, so I decided to just leave that one in there to play it safe. But I did do the literally been weeks since the last clip that you guys saw. I actually recorded a video in between that last clip and this clip that you guys are seeing. But we did get the dress-up bolt kit installed on the STI. It looks so good. I can't wait to use that gauge tool to install literally every bolt on this car that I can. Here are all of the OEM ugly bolts that we removed from the car. These definitely look so much better. And the reason there hasn't been a video for a couple of weeks now is because we've been dealing with this car. I've been having so many issues with it, and I'm just trying to get it ready for SubiFest. And I think we're almost there. We're like 95% there. But once again, huge thank you to everyone at Dressupbolts for making this possible and for being so patient with me. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera, but in person, these bolts really do stand out. I'm gonna link the website in the description if you guys want to cop a set of dress-up bolts for your car. I recommend it. It looks so good. Like I said, for me, I just want to have one of those builds where there's attention to detail. So we do got to clean up the engine bay to make these look even better, but that is how it looks for now. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one.